Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel as always. If you are new to this channel, my name is Timan, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to upgrade your I-130 petition when you become a US citizen. So if you file your petition I-130 as a lawful permanent resident right here, if you check this box right here as a lawful permanent resident and you send your case and it is processing at your service center, at USCIS service center that will be assigned to you. So they will process your case. And now you become a US citizen. They will not upgrade your case unless if you notify them. So how are we gonna do that? That's what we're gonna talk about. So if you previously filed a petition I-130 for a spouse or minor children when you were a permanent resident, now you upgrade it if you become a US citizen, because you're gonna reduce your wait time, because when you become a US citizen, your visa is immediate. So it's gonna be immediate it's gonna be upgraded to immediate relatives. So that's the good thing about it. But the bad part about it is, I'm gonna say this: if you have children, you must file a petition for each child that you have. This is the bad part about it, and it's gonna be a little bit costly. So if it's gonna be one, you're gonna pay more money, basically for one more petition. If you have two, that's two. So when you upgrade it, your visa category will be changed from F2 to IR. So if you've been married to your spouse more than 2 years, it's gonna be IR1. But if it is under 2 years, it's gonna become CR1, from F2A to IR1, or from F2A to CR1. So now we have two cases. If your petition is not been approved yet, it's still processing at your USCIS service center. So what you gonna do to notify them? So you will need your I-797C, and also you will need a proof of US citizenship, which is naturalization certificate that you have when you become a US citizenship, or a US passport, biometric page of US passport. And also you're going to include a letter that have information about you as a petitioner and the applicant, and information, you copy the information from I-797C and you send it to your USCIS service center that is processing your case. Now let's talk about I-130 petition that has already been approved, and it is at National Visa Center, NVC. What to do? So you need as well to send a public inquiry form to NVC to let them know that you become a US citizen. There is two choices. This one, sending a public inquiry form, is cheaper, but there is another form, I-824, that you send to USCIS to let NVC to notify NVC that you become a US citizen. So we're gonna go with cheaper option. That's a public inquiry form. So we're gonna go to online and search for public inquiry form, and then you have to submit this inquiry right here. So we're gonna do it together. You will need NVC case number or USCIS receipt number. Example, IBC 123, that's a fake number. And you need a principal applicant full name, that's the beneficiary. It's Bushi Fatima, that's the principal, the beneficiary, not the petitioner. And the date of birth of the principal applicant or the beneficiary is 02/02/1990. And now we're gonna talk about the petitioner that become a U.S. citizen. Is a petitioner full name? It's Baker Robert. And who are you? Is petitioner. An email address is pr@gmail.com. It is very important to include, and anyways, it is required. All fields are required. Now all of them are required. So for enter the inquiry below, what are you gonna tell NVC basically? First, you're gonna enter your NVC case number. It's a BCD. That's your case number, and invoice ID number. And then you're gonna let them know that I filed my petition on 2/2/2022 as a lawful permanent resident, and now I become a U.S. citizen, and I would like to upgrade my petition to immediate relative. And then you see thank you, and you go to the bottom right here and choose the file where you attach your proof of U.S. citizenship. So it's gonna be your biometric page of your passport, of U.S. passport, or naturalization certificate, and I-797C that a USCIS sent you when you filled that petition. And then you go click I am not robot, and then submit. As you see, it's very simple to do that, and it's gonna save you a lot of time. Here, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this one. If you have a child while you are a U.S. citizen, it's good. You don't have to do anything because that child is automatically is gonna be a U.S. citizen. So just you're gonna go to your country, your consulate in your country, and ask them for a passport for your child. She or he is gonna become a U.S. citizen. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, and hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next video.